Have you ever wondered how people can make orders up to the tune of $50 million without even being sure that the product exists? Well, no other company can do this other than Tesla. A third-party camper system named Cyberlander, according to sources, was trying to transform a Tesla Cybertruck into an adventure vehicle by providing a bedroom, living room, kitchen, bathroom, and office when deployed, while disappearing entirely within the bed or vault of the Cybertruck when stowed. Many people who are astonished by the mind-blowing, soon-to-be-invented Cybertruck have not just shown random interest in the vehicle. A number of them have gone ahead to request to make a down payment for the product, ranging from $100 to $5,000 to get some discounts. Do you know what that means for the company? Millions of dollars in customer deposits already. Since the Tesla Cybertruck crazy vehicle modification display, many people have been commenting on the breathtaking innovation, though yet to be manufactured. Talking about how enthusiastic people are about the vehicle, Bill French, Streamit co-founder, said, "We believe the enthusiasm is a direct result of people envisioning how this new adventure vehicle can improve their lives. People are telling us of many new uses for both wilderness and urban adventures. For example, parents at athletic matches, or the ability to boondock and overload to places previously inaccessible to traditional RV. We estimate Cyberlander will be used 2 to 3 times more than traditional RVs because it's so easy to take with you." It's believed that Tesla has gotten up to 1 million reservations for the Cybertruck, plus the Cyberlander add-on has gotten about 1,100 pre-orders, totaling over $50 million in future revenue. Also commenting, Lance King, the CEO of Streamit, who is also the lead designer of the Cyberlander, said, "We conservatively estimate demand for Cyberlander at more than 10,000 units in 2022. This is why we're working with renowned lean manufacturing consultants Munro & Associates to help ensure high quality while we scale manufacturing to meet demand." Reacting differently to Lance King's statement, some analysts observed that it would be challenging for Tesla to deliver up to 10,000 units of the Cybertruck in 2022. The challenges are expected to have adverse impacts on the production process of the innovative electric vehicle. The vehicle's outward makeup is proposed to be an exoskeleton with Tesla's latest structural battery pack technology with its own 4,680 battery cells. Having unveiled the Cybertruck, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said the electric truck would be offered with sick attachments. The Cybertruck design. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has warned that the vehicle's design might be too polarizing due to its futuristic Blade Runner-esque look. The truck is designed to seat 6 people, and it has a 6.5-foot bed, which is referred to as the Cybertruck Vault. The truck has a covered roof that opens if you need to fix something higher than the vault's roof. The Cybertruck is to have Tesla armor glass that can protect the windows from extremely ferocious enemies. Although the glass failed during the unveiling, Elon Musk had said that the glass was broken before the presentation, that it wasn't the fault of the glass.
Sure. Oh, man. It didn't go through.
The interior features. The truck is purposed to have a living room that transforms into a bedroom, a kitchen, and a bathroom. Living room. The living room, which can also be transformed into a bedroom, is purposed to have the following features: an alarm system with 360-degree surveillance and exterior lighting with a motion sensor that lets users sleep securely, a freestanding reclining seating that can reposition or move outward for sunset, the bed positions at counter height with the room beneath for 1 adult or 2 children, an electrochromic dimming with dual-pane windows that provide a perfect blend of lighting and privacy. The seats technically transform into an astonishingly comfortable, breathable RV queen bed. Home automation that lets you control lighting and climate using an app or voice, an installed surround sound audio system for music and video streaming, a 32-inch 4K UHD smart monitor TV with the integration of Apple TV, Netflix, YouTube, Prime, etc. Bathroom. The bathroom is said to have the capacity of fitting in the bed. It also has the following features: a spa-style shower head that has a 5-flow pattern, radiant heated porcelain with one-piece tile floor for the ultimate in durability and comfort, a dry flush toilet that has a self-cleaning bowl that doesn't require a black water tank for cleaning, a recirculating shower that has a 4-stage filter that lets you shower for as long as you want without exhausting water. Kitchen. The kitchen is strategically designed to have the following features: a 5-square working space expensive porcelain countertop, an invisible induction cooktop at the bottom of the countertop, a smart faucet that has a manual, touchless, and voice control system, a large tri-level sink that has a cutting board, wash bin, drying rack, and colander. Other features. Exoskeleton body builds. The Cybertruck is proposed to have an impenetrable exoskeleton body for passenger protection and ultimate durability. Ultra-hard 30X cold-rolled stainless steel. Its ultra-hard 30X cold-rolled stainless steel enables the vehicle to remove dents, damage, and long-term corrosion. an adaptive air suspension standard, a speed of 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds, a storage capacity of 100 cubic feet, an autopilot standard, vault length of 6.5 feet, a drivetrain tri-motor all-wheel drive, a towing capacity of 14,000 plus pounds. It's also said that the company intends to give every Cyberlander internet access via a SpaceX Starlink dish, in addition to a 500-watt retractable solar panel system to provide power. The Cybertruck specs and range. There are 3 proposed versions of the Cybertruck to be made available. They're also expected to have diverse battery packs and drivetrain configurations. The single-motor RWD version is expected to offer a range of 250 miles. The dual-motor all-wheel drive version would reach a range of 300 miles and 500 miles of range for the tri-motor version. The Cybertruck accessories. There have been several speculations on different ways to make the truck work effectively in diverse situations. However, there are no accessories for sale yet. Elon Musk said an electric ATV known as the Cyber Squad would be launched as an option once the Cybertruck goes on sale. In November, it was noted that there would be a camper configuration also. He also said there's an option to include solar panels to the roof that would charge about 15 miles per day. That would be enough to cover driving from home to work for many commuters. Manufacturing location of the Cybertruck. In March 2020, Elon Musk announced that Tesla plans to manufacture the vehicle in Central America. Then in May 2020, it was reported that the factory would be sited in Austin, and in July, Tesla secured a tax break for the Cybertruck Austin Gigafactory in Texas. The Cybertruck Gigafactory was later renamed Gigafactory Texas. The Model 3, Model Y, Cybertruck, and Tesla Semi are to be manufactured at Gigafactory Texas. Tesla also plans to manufacture the Cybertruck in other locations, which is evident in the reservation made in China. The Cybertruck proposed selling price. How much do you think this astounding truck would go for? Do you think it would cost a fortune, or could someone with an average income afford to save up and acquire it? Without puzzling around about the cost of the Cybertruck, Elon Musk stated categorically that the truck would start at $39,900 before incentives, but other models would start at $49,900 and $69,900 respectively. Reports say that most people who are placing pre-orders are interested in the dual-motor and tri-motor versions. The single-motor model has attracted the interest of only about 17% of the total pre-orders. The Cybertruck release date. Within a week of the unveiling of the Cybertruck, the company got a jaw-dropping 250,000 pre-orders. It's estimated that over 500,000 pre-orders had been made for the Cybertruck, which is yet to be produced. It's most likely that the number would increase. This statistic can be accessed via cybertruckownersclub.com. It was scheduled that the dual-motor version of the Cybertruck would be released in late 2021, and the single-motor model should be expected in late 2022. Elon Musk has also said that the updated version of the truck would be unveiled in the second quarter of 2021 as the company approaches manufacturing, but it would be best to anticipate the release of the first make around 2022. Tesla is an automotive company that has not ceased to bring mind-blowing proposed inventions to the table, and the company has a track record of making its proposed inventions a reality to the amazement of many spectators. And the Cybertruck is most likely not going to be an exception in this list of various proposed innovations that Tesla has translated from a state of imagination to reality. Many people are currently anticipating the materialization of the proposed invention, while others think that the Cybertruck is way out of Tesla's league to manufacture a vehicle of that sort. And although the testing of the solidness of the glass went sour, many spectators are willing to keep their fingers crossed until the time Tesla has proposed to release the Cybertruck. What do you think about this crazy innovation that is the Cybertruck? Do you think Tesla can bring the imagination into reality? Do you think that the Cybertruck would be ready by the second quarter of 2021 as proposed by Tesla? Do you think any other automotive high-tech